Hey everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show a simple way how you can resend invite in Asana. So let's start. The first thing that you want to do is just be in Asana and then click on your project, or if you have your workspace, and then you're gonna see members here, and you want to simply click here, see all members, and then you're gonna see the pending invite, or all the members that are not in yet. So you want to click three dots here, and you want to click Resend invite, and you want to click resend invite here, and that's pretty much it. So this is how you can resend the invite in Asana. Thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down in comments. And yeah, see ya.